And
Let's fucking blast them, get a bunch of loot.
Let's kill a dragon.
Did you put your soulstone up?
You already did.
Do what?
Let's kill another dragon.
Put it on me.
Quick 10 mana Nixia after this. Just to prove a point.
Fuck dragons. All my homies hate dragons. He's hurting. Oh, nope, he's just casting a reroll.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fuck now.
Jank is getting up there on threat. Really up there on threat. Charter.
We're gonna avoid the charter and run away.
Ready to bounce?
Got one that got out of there. Nice.
They're all dead.
Back to the spots.
I'm gonna try to do the misdirect, but it's gonna be late.
Look at him.
You got it.
Wait, never mind. It's just on time.
Good job. Range max range. Charter. Oh, beautiful. Perfect. Let's push him in the air.
Forward.
Like we just don't care.
Put your hands in the air. Like
Put
you
the
just
trap forward.
don't care.
Didn't realize the thing was gonna scare.
Ready to bounce?
Move, move.
Got a skeleton boy, nice.
Take
Come
those.
on, healers, you got this.
Yay, thanks.
I got him.
Nice.
Reset. Get Apex.
Rinse and repeat.
You want to interrupt Apex?
No, I've got mine.
I'll take one if you got it.
It's gonna be a close misdirect.
Come on, let me get him. Alright.
Max range.
Did I innervate myself? Holy fuck, I'm an idiot.
Oof. Well, hard mode engaged.
Wolfster might need a feint.
Thank you.
Dank is next.
Thanks, kiddies. 58%.
Yep. Chart Earth.
Is this whole stone up yet?
Well, we all got roared.
13
Okay,
so.
That's okay.
Push him, push him, push him.
He's going up
Going up on a Tuesday?
on a Sunday.
On Sunday, sorry.
Everybody stack up.
Alright, focus.
Keep it clean. We should be looking pretty good here. Move.
Move, move, move. Heal Furel. I got Apex.
Back to the beginning.
Big apexes.
Big.
Oh!
Alright, so stone.
Yes.
Soulstone, nice.
Heal up, heal up, heal up.
Alright, man, it's a little sketchy now, so.
I'm 2%. I got 1 heal on me.
Okay.
Wisdom on boss when he comes down. We gotta smack him. Or wand him. Wait for it. Max range,
Max
not
range.
much room, but
Real help with heals. Everything you got.
Looks like we got it.
Stop.
Shut up.
I get evasion, don't worry. Perfect does.
Focus.
keep stopping. Scorcher. Into the roar.
I'm fear.
No! Bat roar!
Defensives.
We got away from us. Good roar, actually.
Burn, burn, burn. Big heals me if you got him.
Don't have much.
Burn him, baby. Burn him.
Fuck
Yeah! Fuck yeah!
Awesome.
Holy fuck, that's a long fight and shitty.
Oh, good job, guys.
Oh, the neck and. Ow.
I died so you could live.
If you're on the west, yep, loot them.
Job.